What is an accounting convention? Accounting conventions are guidelines used to help companies determine how to record certain business transactions that have not yet been fully addressed by accounting standards. While not legally binding, accounting authorities typically recognize these methods and concepts. In essence, its purpose is to encourage uniformity and assist accountants in resolving real-world issues that may come up during the preparation of financial statements. Understanding an accounting convention. These are instances when a certain circumstance is governed by accounting rules without a clear, defined guideline. Accounting conventions may be used in these situations. There are many presumptions, conceptions, norms, and traditions in accounting. Accounting standards frequently provide support for ideas like relevance, dependability, materiality, and comparability, and aid in standardizing the financial reporting process.